Hello, good morning everybody. Today we will discuss on the tally shortcut keys for receivables and payables. So sir, इसमें what you can have is that please if you're there, then in case you're interested, if you want to understand the tally API, you can see this. If you want to get the same thing automated through Powerbi, you can automate this. So we will understand what are the tally shortcut keys, and the whole purpose is error-free reporting, quick and easy analysis, easy format for follow-ups, and reduce manual error for follow, and basically automation of tasks. जैसा हमारी सबसे पहली जो the set of shortcut keys which are there is D plus O plus R plus F. तो मतलब जब आप जाते हैं D plus S O R, ये receivables का आता है. उसी तरीके से you have the combinations for other ones, payables, receivables, and this thing. And then what you have is, then you have the something called the F6, which you do it by age, by bill date, and by due date. So this particular report can be automated using an Excel format. So I will just open the Excel mail, this thing. So you can open it by the Excel format and you can automate the same, right? Then ये इस तरीके से आपका जो है, ये आपका Excel में ये वाली रिपोर्ट जो है ये आपकी आ जाएगी. इधर 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 ये बिल रिसीवेबल की जो है ये रिपोर्ट ऑटोमेट हो जाएगी. ठीक है ना. अब मैं सर आपको ये भी दिखाऊंगा कि हाउ टू गेट इट थ्रू द पावर बी आई. नाउ योर सेकेंड वन इज D plus O plus S plus R plus F6 bill date by due date, and then you have got options of multiple companies. तो वो मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ before I actually do it. So second step is that a lot of people have asked that how exactly to open the Power BI file. So basically you go into the folder. तो अगर आप इसमें folder में जा रहे हैं, ये जैसे मैंने इधर किया, ये रोहित मैंने कोई folder बनाया और उस folder में suppose आएगा, and I go to deployment folder, and the way to open it is very easy. You just double click on it, so it opens in as an Excel file. Because people have asked us, okay fine, how does this Power BI? So we'll deploy it. You can deploy it and then do it. I will also show it how exactly to do it. Now the second one is, I'll come down to this, so I go back here, and in the second one is that I go back here, I say D plus S plus O plus R. Now within this D plus O plus S plus R, if I need to pick up multiple companies, so I go here Alt F3, so I can pick up one another set of company which is there. Right, so I can have multiple such companies which are there. So this is an option for multiple company options, right? Then the second question is that in terms of the groups, because groups you are requiring, because at times your payables, suppose if I go down to bill payables, you might want to pay only to the sundry creditors. So what you say is you press F4. And then you pick up that particular group. So here it allows only one particular group. So you might say, okay fine, I might pick up one group or two groups or three groups and so forth, right? If I press Alt F4, it will quit. So we don't want to do that, so it's simply F4. And then if I want to look at ledger wise, then I go press F8. So this is actually all coming ledger rate. So these are number of key strokes by which actually you can have it. So all this actually is being automated in this particular report which we are giving to you, which is going to be here in your this thing. Go down here, payable and receivable snapshot. So here you'll get the receivable and the payable together. You will get across unlimited number of companies. So Alt F3 will go. Receivable and payable will also go. So you don't have to go onto this file for going through this set of keyword D plus S plus O plus R. So R plus O, R plus P is actually going to be combined together, right? They are going to be combined together, and then you have the complete group hierarchy here. So you don't have to go and select each individual group. Right, and you also get the voucher number and the voucher details, as well as the bill date and the bill due date also. Right, so you basically get, this is the bill date and the bill due date. So so here what happens is, there's another option is that if you press up F8, if I go down to F8 and if I pick up B, so if I pick up Alt B, sorry, Control B, So then I can say pending bills or post bills, overdue bills. I can do that. That will automatically be taken care of. And then if I pick up F6, then I can pick it up by bill date. So we have also combined these two. So in this way, basically you can actually do it. It's very, very easy how you do it. You will have to simply, will give you a TCP. You will have to load that particular TCP here and then press extract companies. The data will come onto the C colon sample company here, right? C colon sample company here. Sorry, just one second here. Right, it will come in a JSON format, and then here then you simply have to click refresh and the data will come, and you can load unlimited number of companies because we have removed the Alt F3 requirement. So in case you are interested, do get in touch with us on this particular site. You can fill up the form. We'll deploy it as well as show how it is done.